Hi there, boys and girls. This tutorial is going to show you how to use the Gale research database to make researching easier for you. So before you begin, I'd like you to log into your Google account. So go to sign in, enter your GAPS email, and then if you haven't already when you first got onto the computer, please put in your username and password to get you into your GAPS account. If you're in your GAPS account, you'll notice in the top right-hand corner, your username will be listed. So you can see mine, Brianna, is right there. So now I'm going to show you how to get onto the board, the York Region District School Board website, and where you go from there. So to begin, I'd like you to go to the address bar and type in yrdsb.ca. If this happens, it's just because our internet is being fussy. You can try to refresh it. And if that doesn't work, as I always say, when in doubt, Google. And if it's not working when we type in yrdsb.ca, we'll type it into our Google search bar. And you can see this time it came up. So now that we're here, please click on Students. And after you've clicked on Students, I want you to go over to this blue section here where it says Quick Links. Please click on Online Tools and Resources. Yay, we're in. Now that we're here, you can see that we have all sorts of really cool things that we can check out using our YRDSB, our York Region District School Board passwords. But today we're just going to check out the Gale database. So we'll click here. That's this one with a lightning bolt. We'll click on that. So now that we're in, you're going to use that password that I've got posted up on the yellow bulletin board. So please type that in. So it's the Gale database password. Once you've typed in your password, please click proceed. And we're in. So now that we're here, this is when I want you thinking about the Boolean searches that we were practicing before, because using some of those great strategies for a Boolean search will make our research even more effective. So in this bar here, we're going to type in the keywords that we're going to use. Today, we're going to use that Boolean search strategy that we talked about using the word and. So I'm going to type in Canada and World War II. Let's see what we can come up with. Actually, sorry, before we start doing our search, we can make sure that we've checked all of the boxes here. That way we go through everything. Next time, I'm going to show you what happens when we only click some of those boxes. But today, we're going to make sure that all of those boxes are clicked. If they're not, you can just click Select All at the top. Later, we'll talk about searching just one section at a time or a couple of sections at a time. Today, we will do Select All. So we've got Canada and World War II. Now we will click Search. Yay, we're in. So as you can see, by using that Boolean strategy and Canada and World War II, we've come up with several resources that we can use for our research today, but not as many as we would have gotten if we did a Google search, which is a good thing, not a bad thing. We want to make sure that we're getting information that is going to help us in our research and information that we can trust. When we use our York Region District School Board Gale database, we know that this is information that we can trust. Thank you very much, guys. We'll talk to you soon.